Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, The Varied Classes. Today in this sessions, we'll be discussing about Quadratic Equation Chapter. So first of all, we'll discuss about the solution of quadratic equations by factorization method. Next is, what are the steps we'll take to take out the value of the equations, means to take out the value of x. And after that, we will solving some quadratic equations problems. So friend, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and support my videos so that I can bring the more informative videos for you. So let's start the session. So friend, here we have a equation and we will solve the equations by factorization method. So friend, which are the steps to take out the value of x by factorization method? So first step will be to convert equation into standardized form. So we know the standardized form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the 6 is given in the right side of the equal value. We will take 6 into this side and then the equation will be in our standardized formation. So first of all, we will take 6 into left hand side. So the equation will be 2x square plus x, 6 this side, and it will be minus 6 is equal to 0. Second steps will be to multiplications of the coefficients of x square and the number value, means a and c, means multiplications of coefficients of x and number value. So we'll multiply 2 and 6, that is 12. Now the third step is factorizations of the value, means 12. So which are the factorizations? Our next step will be factor into plus or minus, so that we'll get the value given in the middle place, means 1. Here we'll factor 12 in such a way that our middle value will be extracted from it. So there will be 12 means 4 and 3. If we'll put 4x plus and minus 3x, it will be plus x. So friend, we'll write 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 as it is equal to 0. After that, our fifth step will be to take the common between these two and these two. Here we will take the common of 2x. Here will be x and here plus 2, and for here we will take common of 3, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will take x plus 2 one side and 2x plus 3 will be another, means we will take x plus 2 common also here. X plus 2 in one bracket, in the next bracket it will be 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the value of multiplications of 2 is 0, then either first one will be 0 or second one will be 0 or both of them will be 0. So we can write x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here we can take out the value of x as is equal to minus 2, and here 2x is equal to 3. So x will be 3 by 2. So friend, this is the value of x. The value of x here we have calculated, minus 2, 3 by 2. So friend, this is the method to take out the value of equations by factorization method. Now we'll solve some more questions. So here we'll take out the value of equations by factorization method. So here we can see the equation is given in the standard form. So we'll first multiply the coefficient of x square and the number value. Here it is 1 multiplied by 15 is 15. We'll take out 15 into such a way that the factor of 15 in such a way that we will get the value of middle means 2. So the factorization of 15 is 5 and 3. 5 and 3 minus 5x plus 3x. So we can write x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Very simple. Now we'll take the common. Next step is take common between this first two and next is by the second two. Here x minus 5, here we'll take plus 3 and here x minus 5 is equal to 0. We'll now take common x minus 5 in the another bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the x is equal to 5 and here x is equal to minus 3. So the value of x is 5 and minus 3. Now we'll solve these questions. Here the coefficients of x square is 2 and the number value is in factor. So if we will multiply 2 and 1 by 8, it is 1 by 4. We cannot factor 1 by 4 into two parts so that we can get the value of minus 1. So first of all, we will take the equation in the standard formations. For making it in the standard formations, we can multiply the whole value by 8 so that we can get a standardized form. If we multiply 8 by 2, it will become 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our standard form of equations. Now we will multiply coefficients of x square means 16 and 1, that is 16. Now we factor 16 in such a way that we will get the value of coefficient of x means 8. If we will factorize in for x and for x, if we will add them, this will become 8. Here 8 is given. Now we can write 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll take common. Our next step is to take common. Here we'll take 4x common. This will become 4x minus 1. Here we'll take minus 1 common. This will become 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 and here also 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. The value of this is same, so we can write 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 4x is equal to 1, so the value of x is 1 by 4. This is the same as this, so the value of x is 1 by 4. Now move to the next slide. In this slide they have given find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whole square is 221. So friend, in these questions they have given to take out the value of two positive consecutive integers, means that two positive consecutive integers, the sum of the whole square is 221. So let the first integer be x, so the second integer will be x plus 1 because it is given the consecutive integers. So in the next part they have given sum of whole square, means sum of x square and sum of 1 plus x plus 1 square is 2, means x square. So we can write x plus 1, the sum of whole square means x square and the sum of this value is also square is equal to 221. Now we'll simplify it. It will become x square. Here a plus b whole square, so we can write x square plus 2ab means 2x plus b square means 1 is equal to 221. Now we'll write 221 this side. It will x square plus x square 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 221 is equal to 0. Here 1 and 221. So we can write 2x square plus 2x minus 220 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify it by dividing 2. It will become x square plus x minus 0 is equal to 0. Now we'll write it here. The equation is x square minus plus x minus 110 is equal to 0. Now we'll multiply the x square and the number that. Now we'll multiply the x square and the number that will be 110. Now we'll factor in such a way that we can get the coefficients of x means 1. Here nothing is 1 given. So we'll factor in such a way that we can get, after factorization, the value is 11. 11 10 110. So here we will have to take plus x, so it will be plus 11x and minus 10x, so that we can write x square plus 11x minus 10x minus 110 is equal to 0. Here we'll take common between these two, and common between these two means x. Here x plus 11, and here we will take minus 10 common, and here it will be x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now x plus 11 and next will be x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we can write x plus 11 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we'll take the value of x is minus 11. Here the x is equal to 10. So the integers they have given the positive integers, so we cannot take the value of negative integers. So we'll take the value of x means 10. So the next number will be 1. The value of x is 10 here. For the next integer, the value will be 10 plus 1 will be 11. Here we can see the given equation is given in a standard form. So we'll multiply the coefficients of x square and the number that will be 1 and 5 is 5, and we'll factor 5 such a way that we'll get the value of coefficients of x means 4. Here we can simply write 5 and 1. 5 in positive and 1 in negative, so it will be 4. So we can write x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we'll take common between x square and minus 5 and common between x and 5. So we'll take common x here. It will become x plus 5, and we'll take minus 1 common here. This will x plus 5 again, because minus minus plus is equal to 0. Now we will write x plus 5 in one bracket, in another bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0, and it will become x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here the x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 1. So the value of x are minus 5 and 1. So in the next question they have given 2x square plus x is equal to 300. So this is not given in the standard formations. First of all, we will make the equation in standard formations. So it will become 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. After that, our second step is to multiply the coefficient of x square and the number. This will become 2 and 300, that is 600. Now we'll factor 600 in such a way that we can get the coefficient of x means 1. We'll factor it 2 300 again by 2. This is 150 again by 2, 75 by 3, 25 3 is 75, 5 and 5. So if we will multiply 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, and we can say this is 25. So 600 in such a way that one is 25, another is 24. So we can write it is in plus 25x and minus 24x. So we'll write it 2x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now we'll take common between these two, that is x. Common between 2 is x. Here 2x plus 25, and here 24 and 300, that is 12. We will take 12 such that we can get the value of 2x and 25 here. So we will take minus 12 here, and it is 2x here plus 12 2 is 24 and 6 60, 12 5 is 60, 25 is equal to 0. Here we will write 2x plus 25 in one bracket, in another bracket x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we can write 2x plus 25 is equal to 0 and x minus 12 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to, this will become minus 25 this side, minus 25 divided by 2, and here x is equal to 12. So the value of x are minus 25 by 2 and 12. So friends, these are the method to take out the value of quadratic equations. So friends, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and support my videos. Thank you.